Hi guys, so today we're going to be solving for x, which in this function would represent the angle for sine. So sine of x, meaning sine of what angle is -1/2. So we're basically looking for the angle where sine is equal to -1/2. Once I find that angle, I will determine the value of x. Keep in mind there's going to be two values for x because there are two quadrants where sine is negative. All students take calculus, meaning all is positive in the first quadrant, sine is positive in the second quadrant. In the third quadrant, only tangent is positive, and in the fourth quadrant, only cosine is positive, which means sine would be negative in those two quadrants. So sine is always the y value in the parentheses. It would be -1/2 at 7 pi over 6, and it would also be -1/2 at 11 pi over 6. So since it restricts us to one circle by stating only find the solutions from 0 to 2 pi, which means one time around the circle, one revolution, those two values are our answer. Now, moving to the next question, what would happen if they don't restrict it from 0 to 2 pi in this case? So the zeros of the function are nothing more than just solving for x. They're the x-intercepts. These words are synonymous with one another, and we always solve for x or the zeros by making y or f of x equal to 0. So I'm going to take 0 equals 2 minus 4 times the sine of x. Keep in mind that sine of x, we're trying to isolate that. It's being multiplied to -4, and it's being added to 2. So we're going to subtract 2 on both sides. We have -2 equals -4 sine of x. And then from there, we're going to divide both sides by -4. So reducing that will give us +1/2. So to find x, we're looking for the angle x where sine is equal to 1/2. Keep in mind that again, sine is only positive in the first and second quadrant. So those two angles, the y values would be pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. So x would equal pi over 6, and x would equal 5 pi over 6. But keep in mind that we're not restricted to only one circle, which means we're going to add 2 pi n to our answer. 2 pi meaning one time around the circle, n representing the number of times they want to go around the circle, however many revolutions. And if it were in degrees instead of radians, you would add 360 degrees in. All right, hope this helps.